Yeah, so like when I didn't get that on Friday, that's when I really started to worry. Because it's always like they get me all excited and then I just stress for the next 3 days.
Yeah, dude. I'm just like trying to whatever, go with the flow on this one, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I just want one of the old 911s when they were cheap, and then just go see what it's like to drive them.
Oh, Supra? Is that the new Supra? Get it, get it. Some good different.
That's a good red one too. I always see them like white, which I like the white one, but that red didn't look really good.
It was eyeballing the Supra.
Yeah. Killer, dog.
Might as well get this guy when he goes by. Get something different for the channel.
Oh, that's actually a nice one at least.
That Beamer, I don't even know what that is.
Was that an M?
It was eyeballing it. Something or other. Something crazy.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the Forest. It's like that weird one. Oh God. That hump scares me. Miata would never make it.
No, Miata's super duper low.
Not anymore. My is 4 miles. This is so easy to do, so I was like, I'm just sending it because I won't be
like,
around.
You know how low that thing is. It's like too low.
It's probably a little too low. Scraping getting into gas stations, and not like a little bit.
We'll get some spicy chicken deluxe sandwiches and call it a day. Fries or whatever.
Everybody loves the 240, 180 or S15, whatever it is.
Whatever this car is, I don't even know what to call it, dude.
That's the, yeah, people look at your car and like, what the is that?
Yeah, I mean, dude, I guess it's a 240, really.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how about
Good, how you
yourself?
doing?
Good. Can I have a name for the order?
William. Thank you.
I like your car.
Thanks, man.
Oh, that's
Yours?
Is this from America or no? Oh, you gotta change it from the.
So this one got swapped.
It's from where?
It's from America. Yeah.
They just got swapped.
It got
again.
swapped.
Dang, that's crazy.
Can you take this payment actually, Tony?
Give him a little sauce, dude. Get some on camera saying your car's awesome. That'd be fun for you too.
That's pretty much everywhere you go.
Okay, take that. This car's like, it's not annoying, you know what I'm saying? You kind of Get a, yeah, it's wrapped. Get some footage of it. Shoot it.
Oh, you gonna?
Yeah, I was going to order.
Anticlimactic.
Yeah, it's kind of a little like speed off or something. I was gonna order some Brembo brakes for it and do like a big brake conversion because it just has the factory brakes on it. I never did. And that has like the base model brakes.
Yeah. That's what you were saying. There's like a factory model of big brakes you can get for cheap.
Well, the good news is like they're continuing to make those brakes and they put them on the Ford or the new Z car, so it's like there's manufacturing good parts longer, like
Yeah.
have like more supply, keeps them cheaper.
So those ones those are the same ones?
Which ones?
The ones they're putting on the new Z? I guess it's only called Z now.
Yeah, they're the ones that are on like the Q50 and stuff. Yeah.
I just tried to push the clutch in.
Like,
I'm in like this spot, so it trips me
Yeah.
out sometimes.